guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BoxyCharm unboxing for November. I think this is the third box I've received. So we have our products on the back. I'll put that aside for now. 25% off coupon. Got another palette. I think I've received one every single month, which, let me figure out how to open it. Hold on a second. Okay, so like I was saying, I think I've got an eyeshadow palette each time, but this is actually highlighters. It's really cute. It was incredibly hard for me to get that sleeve off, but very nice colors. A couple different shades. Next up we have Snow Mushroom Water Serum. That sounds really interesting. It says hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, minimizes the appearance of pores and redness. Cool, and fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I could use that. Pretty neat. Take a look at packaging. It looks pretty big. Glass bottle. Very nice. It has a pump at the top too. Cool. Then we have eye pencil. It says it's a 2-pack from Bodyography. May have said that right. I used to make fun of my mom for mispronouncing things all the time, and now I find that I do it, so I'm turning into her. Okay, so this one is black walnut and the other one is onyx. So black walnut, ooh, very nice point. It's a good dark brown shade. Onyx, nice black shade. Then we have a lip enhancer. So what that looks like, since it's a lip treatment, I'll have to read more about it on the card. And then I think we got a tiny little palette too. So they do definitely give out a lot of palettes. I'm the type of person where I have like a couple like specialty palettes, but I hate collecting them. I like to use just one palette at a time. Otherwise I just feel like it's wasteful to have all these palettes. I feel like most women, most girls like to collect them. I'm probably the minority when it comes to that, but yeah, we have a 5 different shades eyeshadow palette. So they definitely give out a lot of those for the subscription, but definitely worth the money as well. So here's the product card. So the 5-pan palette retails for $48. The water serum, $62. Wow. The lip enhancer is $17. The Cali Glow highlighter set is $14.99, and the eye pencil duo is $16. So very good value. I will put all their information below in case you want to sign up if you're not already subscribed to the subscription. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.